Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering the most common questions about PPC management, how it works, why it matters, and how it can help grow your business fast. Let's get into it. What is PPC? PPC stands for pay-per-click. It's a form of online advertising where you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. These ads show up in places like Google search results or on social media platforms like Facebook. Why is PPC important for my business? Because it delivers fast, targeted traffic to your website. PPC puts your business in front of people who are actively looking for what you offer, which means more qualified leads and higher chances of conversion. What are the main platforms for PPC advertising? The most popular PPC platforms are Google Ads for search engine visibility, Facebook Ads for social media exposure. Other great options include LinkedIn Ads, Twitter Ads, and Amazon advertising, depending on your goals and audience. How can I measure the success of my PPC campaigns? Success is measured using metrics like click-through rate, CTR, cost per click, CPC, conversion rate, return on investment, ROI, and cost per acquisition, CPA. We track all of this using tools like Google Analytics and platform dashboards, so you always know what's working and what's not. Want to get more from your PPC campaigns? Let's talk. Reach out through our website or check out the next video in this playlist for more digital strategies. Thanks for watching and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.